Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about governors and chief ministers of Sindh. Here is the list of chief ministers of Sindh from 1947 to 2020. So first chief minister of Sindh was Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah for the first time. He entered office 28th of April 1937 and he left office 23rd March 1938. His political party was Pakistan Muslim League, Pakistan People's Party. Second chief minister was Allah Bakhsh Somro. He entered office 23rd of March 1938 and he left office 18th of April 1940. He belongs to Ittihad Party. Third chief minister of Sindh was Mir Bande Ali Khan Talwar. He entered office 18th of April 1940 and he left office 7th of March 1941. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Fourth chief minister of Sindh was Allah Bakhsh Somro for the second time. He entered office 7th of March 1941 and he left office 14th of October 1942. He belongs to Ittihad Party. Fifth chief minister of Sindh was Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah for the second time. He entered office 14th of October 1942 and he left office 14th of August 1947. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Muhammad Ayub Khoro. For the first time, he entered office 16th of August 1947 and he left office 28th of April 1948. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Pir Ilahi Bakhsh. He entered office 3rd of May 1948 and he left office 4th of February 1948. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Yusuf Harun. He entered office 18th of February 1949 and he left office 7th of May 1950. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Qazi Fazlullah Ubaidullah. He entered office 8th of May 1950 and he left office 24th March 1951. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. 10th Chief Minister of Sindh was Muhammad Ayub Khoro for the second time. He entered office 25th of March 1951 and he left office 29th December 1951. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Pirzada Abdul Sattar. He entered office 22nd May 1953 and he left office 8th of November 1954. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. 12th Chief Minister of Sindh was Muhammad Ayub Khoro for the third time. He entered office 9th of November 1954 and he left office 13th of October 1955. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. After that, post was abolished between 13th of October 1955 and 13th June 1970 as a part of the West Pakistan province. 13th Chief Minister of Sindh was Mumtaz Ali Bhutto. For the first time, he entered office 1st of May 1972 and he left office 20th December 1973. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 14th Chief Minister was Ghulam Mustafa Jadoi. He entered office 25th December 1973 and he left office 5th of July 1977. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 15th Chief Minister of Sindh was Ghaus Ali Shah. He entered office 6th of April 1985 and he left office 6th of April 1988. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. 16th Chief Minister was Akhtar Ali Ghulam Qazi for the first time. He entered office 11th of April 1988 and he left office 24th of June 1988. He belongs to Islami Jamhuri Ittihad. 17th Chief Minister of Sindh was Akhtar Ali Ghulam Qazi, second time caretaker. He entered office 31st August 1988 and he left office 2nd of December 1988. He belongs to Islami Jamhuri Ittihad Party. Qaim Ali Shah. He entered office 2nd of December 1988 and he left office 25th February 1990. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. He was 18th Chief Minister of Sindh. Aftab Shaban Mirani. He entered office 25th of May 1990 and he left office 6th of August 1990. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Jam Sadiq Ali, acting till 5th November 1990. So, he entered office 6th of August 1990 and he left office 5th of March 1992. He was independent candidate. 21st Chief Minister of Sindh was Muzaffar Hussain Shah. He entered office 6th of March 1992 and he left office 19th of July 1993. He belongs to Islami Jamhuri Ittihad. Sayyid Ali Madad Shah, caretaker. He entered office 19th of July 1993 and he left office 21st October 1993. Sayyid Abdullah Shah. He entered office 21st October 1993 and he left office 6th of November 1996. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 24th Chief Minister of Sindh was Mumtaz Bhutto for the second time caretaker Chief Minister. He entered office 7th of November 1996 and he left office 22nd of February 1997. He belongs to Sindh National Front. 25th Chief Minister of Sindh was Liaquat Ali Jatoi. He entered office 22nd February 1997 and he left office 30th of October 1998. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. 26th Chief Minister of Sindh was Ali Muhammad Meher. He entered office 17th of December 2002 and he left office 9th of June 2004. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League Q. 27th Chief Minister was Arbab Ghulam Rahim. He entered office 9th of June 2004 and he left office 19th of November 2007. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League Q. Abdul Qadir, he entered office 19th November 2007 and he left office 6th of April 2008. He also belongs to Pakistan Muslim League Q. 29th Chief Minister of Sindh was Qaim Ali Shah for the second time. He entered office 6th of April 2008 and he left office 21st March 2013. Belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Zahid Qurban Alvi, caretaker Chief Minister of Sindh from 21st March 2013 to 13th March 2013. 31st Chief Minister of Sindh was Qaim Ali Shah for the third time. He entered office 13th of May 2013 and he left office 27th July 2016. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 32nd Chief Minister of Sindh was Murad Ali Shah. He entered office 29th July 2016 and he left office 28th May 2018. He He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 33rd Chief Minister of Sindh was Fazlur Rahman. He entered office 2nd of June 2018 and he left office 17th of August 2018. He was caretaker Chief Minister of Sindh from 2 June 2018 to 17th August 2018. 34th Chief Minister of Sindh was Syed Murad Ali Shah and he is now the Chief Minister of Sindh 2020 year and he belongs to Pakistan People's Party. We have discussed the list of Chief Ministers from 1947 to 2020 and the province Sindh. Now we are going to discuss the list of governors of Sindh from 1947 to 2020. Here is the first governor, Sheikh G.H. Hidayatullah. He entered office 15th of August 1947 and he left office 4th of October 1948. He belongs to Muslim League political party. Second governor of Sindh was Sheikh Deen Muhammad. He entered office 7th of October 1948 and he left office 19th of November 1949. He belongs to Muslim League. Third governor of Sindh was Mia Aminuddin. He entered office 19th November 1949 and he left office 1st of May 1953. He belongs to political party Muslim League. Fourth governor was George Begzandel. He entered office 2nd of May 1953 and he left office 12th of August 1953. His status was civil administration. Fifth governor of Sindh was Habib Ibrahim Rahimullah. He entered office 12th of August 1953 and he left office 23rd of June 1954. He belongs to Muslim League. Sixth governor of Sindh was Nawab Iftikhar Hussain. He entered office 24th of June 1954 and he left office 14th of October 1955. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. Sindh province abolished and became the part of the West Pakistan unit from 14th October 1955 to 1st of July 1970. And after that, the 8th governor was Lieutenant General Rukman Gul. He entered office 1st of July 1970 and he left office 20th December 1971. His status was military administration. Ninth governor of Sindh was Mumtaz Bhutto. He entered office 24th of December 1971 and he left office 20th April 1972. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 10th governor was Mir Rasul Baksh Talpur. He entered office 29th of April 1972 and he left office 14th of February 1973. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 11th governor was Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. She entered office 15th of February 1973 and left office 28th February 1976. She was independent candidate. Muhammad Dilawar Khanji. He entered office 1st of March 1976 and he left office 5th of July 1977. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 13th governor of Sindh was Abdul Qadir Sheikh. He entered office 6th of July 1977 and he left office 17th of September 1978. His status was civil administration. 14th governor was Lieutenant General S.M. Abbasi. He entered office 18th of September 1978 and he left office 6th of April 1984. His status was military administration. 15th governor was Lieutenant General retired Jahandad Khan. He entered office 7th of April 1984 and he left office 4th of January 1987. He belongs to military administration. 16th governor was Ashraf W. Tabbani. He entered office 5th of January 1987 and he left office 23rd of June 1988. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League. 18th governor was General retired Rahimuddin Khan. He entered office 8th of January 1987 and he left office 1988 September 12th and his status was military administration. 19th governor was Justice Qadiruddin Ahmad. He entered office 12th of September 1988 and he left office 8th of April 1989 and he belongs to Supreme Court of Pakistan. After that, 20th governor of Sindh was Justice Fakhruddin G. Brahim. He entered office 19th of April 1989 and he left office 6th of August 1990. He also belongs to Supreme Court of Pakistan. Mahmood Haroon, for the first time, he entered office 6th of August 1990 and he left office 18th of July 1993. He was independent candidate. 22nd governor of Sindh was Hakim Said. He entered office 19th of July 1993 and he left office 23rd January 1994. He was independent candidate. 23rd governor of Sindh was Mahmood Haroon for the second time. He entered office 23rd of January 1994 and he left office 21st of May 1995. Was independent candidate. 24th governor of Sindh was Kamaluddin Azfar. He entered office 22nd of May 1995 and he left office 16th of March 1997. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 25th governor of Sindh was Lieutenant General retired Moinuddin Haider. He entered office 17th of March 1997 and he left office 17th of June 1999. His status was military administration. 26th governor of Sindh was Mamnoon Hussain. He entered office 19th of June 1999 and he left office 12th of October 1999. He was independent candidate. 27th governor of Sindh was Air Marshal Azim Lieutenant PAF. He entered office 25th of October 1999 and he left office 24th of May 2000. Status was military administration. 28th governor of Sindh was Muhammad Mia Somro. He entered office 25th of May 2000 and he left office 26th December 2002. His status was civil administration. 29th governor was Ishratul Ibad Khan. He entered office 27th December 2002 and he left office 9th of November 2016 and he belongs to Muttahida Qawmi Movement MQM party. 30th governor was Sayyiduzzaman Siddiqui. He entered office 9th of November 2016 and he left office 11th of January 2017. 31st governor of Sindh was Muhammad Zubair. He entered office 2nd of February 2017 and he left office 3rd of August 2018. Lastly, now we have the Sindh's governor, that is Imran Ismail. He entered office 27th of August 2018 and he is now present governor of Sindh. He belongs to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party. We have discussed the governors and Chief Ministers of Sindh from 1947 to 2020. Okay, thank you so much.